Today on What It Looks Like, we are going to try Stouffer's Turkey Tetrazzini. And here's what it looks like on the box. It looks really good, doesn't it? It looks really, really good. It says that it is made with white meat turkey, pasta, mushrooms, and celery in a creamy sauce. So we're gonna see, it also says it has premium white meat turkey. So let's certainly hope that it does. But this is what we're gonna do today on What It Looks Like. Turkey Tetrazzini. We'll show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
All right, let's get this box open. That looks pretty good. Not bad at all. Now this one you have to cook at a very specific time, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. So they're very precise with their timing. So let's do that, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. What it looks like is a decent attempt to resemble the box. Now at first glance, it looks very similar to the box, but then notice how big the chunks of celery are on the box. In real life, they are mere bits and pieces of celery. I do like how the breadcrumbs are sprinkled throughout the meal, which looks like the box. Notice on the box though, there doesn't seem to be any cream sauce in the dish. The noodles on the box look dry. But when it is cooked, you see a lot more of the cream sauce, which to me is a good thing. The mushrooms look like small bits, just like the celery. On the box, you see nice chunky mushrooms there. I do like how the turkey looks brown, just as it does on the box. It's a decent attempt to look like the box, and I'm not disappointed with it because it is not a bad representation at all. Okay, you definitely can smell the breadcrumbs on here. I mean, that's what I smell initially. The noodles, it smells pretty decent, I must say. The noodles smell okay. I think you smell mostly the breadcrumbs, which is kind of interesting because, I mean, it has a lot of other stuff in here. It's got this creamy sauce, it's got celery, but overwhelmingly you smell the bread, which seems kind of impossible to do, but that's what I smell. The sauce, I mean, it smells okay. It smells like any kind of pasta dish. It could even smell like chicken noodle soup almost, which is kind of odd, but it smells like chicken noodle soup. Yeah, I mean, it smells okay. It smells edible. It's nothing to write home about. It smells okay. It just smells okay. The sauce, it's kind of dry. It kind of, you know, as pasta sits for a little while, it starts to get dry, and that's kind of what this has done here. It really hasn't sat that long, just a couple of minutes, but it's already getting kind of real thick and pasty. Like that's kind of what it tastes like. It's a little bit pasty. Let's taste some more here. You can even tell by how it looks kind of sticky. I'm not sure if you can really tell that. It looks kind of sticky. See how the pasta looks sticky? And that's how it feels. But flavor wise, I like it. It could use a little bit of pepper. It's kind of hard to discern exactly what kind of meat it is. It tastes like it could be chicken, quite honestly. But I do believe it is turkey. It says it's premium white meat turkey too. So look at this. This is literally a whole piece of bread. Something that always falls. That's literally a whole piece of bread. It is like super hard. So that is not a pleasant thing to eat. It's nice to know that they actually use real breadcrumbs and real pieces of bread, but man, it cooked up hard and it took up a lot of space. So that's not good at all. I'm not eating that part for sure. And I don't know what happened there, Stouffer. I don't know what happened on that part right there. But there's some quality control issues for sure with that. But the taste is not bad at all. The taste is really not that bad. So I can recommend it, but I don't want to recommend it a lot. I kind of sort of want to recommend it. I also kind of don't want to recommend it, if that makes sense. So if you do buy it and you don't like it that much, and you didn't hear it from me, because I'm kind of on the fence about it. Really, I'm really on the fence. Like I think it's okay, but it's not great. And so my recommendation is that, yeah, I think you can eat it. I think you'll be okay. You won't be hungry if you eat the whole thing, so that's a plus. So it's a plus not to be hungry.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 6. Next up is taste. So 7. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 7. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product that you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will try it and show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.